You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is x greater than negative 8.75. Let's solve it step by step. Swap sides. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by negative 0.8. Whenever you multiply or divide by a negative, reverse the inequality sign. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the arithmetic. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is x greater than negative 8.75.